Hi guys, thanks for watching. Elise makes a bunch of videos. It is raining. I don't know if you can see the many raindrops. I'm sort of hiding under this little thing, but it's not waterproof. Anyway, I'm in Mapua on the beach. No one else is here. There was one person with dogs, but that was way back there, and they're gone. Way gone. Just dropped off in my car, and I was thinking about this vlog I've been planning to make. Ironically, when you find out the topic, although it will probably be in the title. Anyway, I was watching this thing, and dude, I can never remember how to correctly pronounce his name, but you'll know. Krishni Med Doodle. He was talking about being in the present moment, like observing, for example, like a wave coming in and like really observing that at the time. And I was just thinking about how these days, especially like with smartphones and being able to upload videos and pictures all the time, people are truly just like paying more attention to what is happening through their device instead of like directly observing life happening. Yeah, and like even this past summer when I had some time off and I'd go to like Charlie's Rock, which I have videos of. It's like a waterfall in Kerry where you can swim, and it's sort of like in and amongst some orchards and trees, and if you go too late in the evening, it's not sunny on the swimming area. And I was like there one time, and I'm like, it's like a beautiful walk there, there's a waterfall, all fine, and then like I'm just like worrying about getting there before it's too late, and like I'm not enjoying the actual moment of being there, and a million other examples. But yeah, I don't know. So I think like a really good way to be present, for some reason, to be around water, like especially the ocean, because it's so like real time, I don't know, or like nature, I guess. Things are just happening, and like other animals are just living and observing and reacting to the current situation rather than like being in the past in their minds, or worrying about the future, or like, yeah, keeping score on what's just happened and what's needing to happen, and like, yep. So deep thoughts and stuff. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know what you think. Yeah, I feel like I've been like half more in the moment than when I was working, because I, like, all that time was just to make money for later because of my weird style of like just working a lot, and then like, is that a log or a shark? But I'm pretty sure it's a log. Yeah, just like non-stop working and then taking a bunch of time off. But even within like the time off right now, I've been doing this whole trip, and I was constantly like, okay, where's the next place? Put the navigation on, have the map ready, like always constantly like making sure I knew what was going on, where I was going. But I think obviously there's a little bit of that needed. But yeah, even with maps, like Google Maps. I remember when I first started traveling, and there was no smartphones, there was no Google Maps. You just literally have to orient yourself into a new place with like paper maps and just walking around or getting transit or like whatever, and like figuring out where the main things were. Whereas nowadays you can just be like, hey Google, where's the coffee shop? And it's like, turn left after 5 meters. Anyway, yeah. So those are the thoughts of the day. Comment or if you have any additional thoughts on that. And I'll have a link to the video that I'm referencing in the description of this video if you're interested. I think it is like a very long lecture, so maybe I'll put the time of the actual thing. I think it was like question and answers. I don't know. So yeah, being in the present, planning on the future, remembering the past. It's all relevant. But I think, yeah, being in the present. And also yoga, that was the other thing I was going to say. I keep thinking I'm done this video and then I keep talking. Just like focusing on breath and like simple movements, and I think that is why the yoga was first invented, because obviously, as many people don't want to acknowledge, it was like a step within a meditation process back, you know, in India with the like monks or whatever. They would like get ready, because when you sit for a really long time it gets uncomfortable, and you know, and then you're like focusing on all the body aches. But if you stretch and like breathe and get into like not only focusing the mind but getting the body ready, it's already had a bunch of movements, and then it's easier to sit still. Anyway, food for thought. Think about it, let me know what you think, and yeah, that's it. I don't know.